Quantum physics is weird. It's like the universe's backstage pass to a magic show. Things pop in and out of existence. Particles act like waves, and waves act like particles. It's enough to make your head spin faster than a neutron star. One of the weirdest things about quantum physics is entanglement. Imagine two particles, billions of light years apart, doing a synchronized dance. That's entanglement. Spooky action at a distance. Now, what if I told you this quantum weirdness might extend to something as ordinary as, well, poop? What if your morning constitution held secrets to the universe's grand design? Buckle up, folks, because things are about to get really crappy. Let's talk toilets. We've all been there. You flush, and you watch with bated breath as your deposit decides its fate. Will it float serenely like a majestic swan, or sink to the depths like a lead balloon? What if I told you this wasn't random? Our hypothesis: the position of your poop in the toilet bowl is entangled with the events of your day. Think about it. You ace a job interview, and your poop celebrates with a triumphant float. You have a bad day, and your poop takes a nosedive into the porcelain abyss. Coincidence? Maybe. Or maybe it's quantum entanglement at its finest. To test this theory, we need data. Lots of data. We're talking about a global poop study, folks. A diary of a stool surveyor, if you will. Imagine a dedicated team of researchers, bless their hearts, documenting the bowel movements of thousands of volunteers. Every flush is recorded, every float and sink meticulously logged. Meanwhile, our volunteers diligently journal their daily activities. Did they win the lottery? Get stuck in traffic? Have their favorite show canceled? We're talking about correlating poop positions with everything from stock market fluctuations to the weather. It's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. Let's say our data shows a correlation between poop buoyancy and positive events. Imagine waking up, doing your business, and seeing your output bobbing happily in the bowl. It's like a fecal fortune cookie telling you, today's gonna be awesome. You'd approach the day with a newfound confidence. Job interview? Bring it on. Blind date? You got this. Your poop has spoken, and the universe is on your side. Of course, we must consider the placebo effect. Maybe knowing your poop predicts good fortune is enough to make good things happen. Either way, it's a win-win, right? Section 5. Sinking suspicions. Unraveling the mysteries of the deep end. But what about the dreaded sinker? What if your morning movement plunges to the bottom of the bowl like a lead weight? Does this mean your day is doomed? Not necessarily. Perhaps a sinking poop is a warning from the universe. A cosmic heads up to proceed with caution. Maybe it's a sign to avoid risky investments, reschedule that important meeting, or just stay in bed and binge watch your favorite show. After all, even the universe knows there's no shame in a good Netflix marathon when your poop says so. Section 6. Anecdotal evidence. Tales from the porcelain god. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jason, this is all well and good, but where's the evidence? Well, the scientific community is still collecting hard data, but anecdotally, oh boy, do we have stories? Legend has it that a woman in Ohio predicted her husband's lottery win based on the buoyancy of his morning constitution. And then, there's the tale of a farmer in Iowa who claims his prize-winning pig's poop always floated on the day of a competition. Are these stories true Who knows? But they're certainly entertaining. And in the realm of quantum physics, where things are stranger than fiction, anything is possible. Section 7. The Quantum Colonoscopy, a glimpse into the entangled gut. Imagine a future with quantum colonoscopies, a painless procedure analyzing your gut microbiome. Forget horoscopes. Your poop is the ultimate crystal ball. Doctors could prescribe personalized diets based on your poop's quantum signature. Section 8. Conclusion. Poop, the universe, and everything in between. So there you have it. The universe might just be one giant, interconnected toilet bowl, and we're all just floating, or sinking, along for the ride. Is there a scientific basis for any of this? Jury's still out. But hey, it's fun to think about, right? And if nothing else, it might just make you pay a little more attention to what's going on in your toilet bowl. After all, the universe works in mysterious ways, and sometimes those ways involve poop. Section 9. Disclaimer. For entertainment purposes only. This essay is intended for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as scientific fact. Please consult with a qualified medical professional for any health concerns.